Ciao Tesla people, got a software update notification for, let me see if it's 2024.38.7. Release notes says just bug fixes and improvements, but as usual, you have to wait maybe a couple of days to see if there are any changes that are noticeable. For example, last software update, I had two major changes. The browser, and then the other one was for the M3 performance, I think. I'll do the installation, go through the process, and then we'll check out if there are any changes that I can figure out by my own, or I'll wait a couple of days to see if somebody else figure out. So let's start let's go back to the I need to connect to the Wi-Fi. I'm going to connect to my phone, and so we'll start the process like that. Let me share to my access point and the mobile data. I'll turn off Wi-Fi. Okay, let's turn on. So I turn on my access point on my phone. So the download will happen through my access point on the phone and via Wi-Fi, and then via 4G. Okay, so I'll do the download, and then I will skip this, and then we'll do 3-4 seconds of starting installation for the time lapse for you guys, and for me it should be around a bit less than half an hour. So I'll see you in a bit. So the download started. I'm at 4.5 megabits per second, pretty good, through my access point, and that's the reason is I don't know if it's really fast, but anyway, because the 4G antennas are right there. Okay, so we'll see. It's 40 almost 50% download, and then actually 60%, and then I'll start the installation. So I'll see you when I'll start the installation. So download is over. Let's start the installation, and let's start it from the screen this time. Install now. You tap like this, so you jump 2 minutes, and done. Start installation of 2024.38.7. Pretty cool. So I'll do the time lapse. For you it's like 3 seconds, and we'll see how long it's going to be for me, and then afterwards we'll see if there are any visible changes or noticeable changes. Okay, I'll see you in a bit. So I finished the installation. To the release notes, it says, of course, the release contains minor fixes, improvements. I don't see any blue dots here, and I don't see any blue dots here for major changes. So for now, we'll accept that there is it's actually downloaded the navigation data update, the 2024.20. Okay, great. And it's the 2024.38.7 installed. Pretty good. So now it's downloaded the navigation data update for, I guess, Italy and Europe. I think this is the EU. Everything else went well. So in the coming days, 2-3 days, I will see if there are any improvements and changes that are noticeable, and we'll see if I need to do a video. Last time I did 2 videos actually, because one day came one change, and the next day came another one. And I'll check out with the sites that they keep track of all the changes. They are very good at this. Anyways, please check out my Tesla referral in the description. If you buy a Tesla right now, you can get up to $500 or euro discount. Also here in Italy, I think in Europe too, Model Y until the end of the year, if you buy one, you get 1 year of free supercharging, which is a pretty good deal, especially if you do a lot of kilometers. And then there is here in Italy, there's a very good APR. I think it's 4%, something like that. So if you buy a Tesla, check out my referral. Also, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.